Hello friends, welcome to Sarkari Ada YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel by pressing subscribe button and do not forget to press bell icon to watch out latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome once again. In this video I'll show you how to download Python and Pycharm IDE. So let's move on. So first of all we need to do is opening a browser, and we need to type Python org, and we need to open this one, welcome to python.org, and the latest Python version is 3.7.3. So we need to go downloads, and if you want to download for Windows, just click on Windows and you will see Python 3.7.3. So on clicking this, we can download latest Python version. If you want to download for Mac, we need to click on this. So for now we want to download for Windows, so just click on Python 3.7.3. so it will download one exe. Just click on save file and see file is being downloaded. So I'll just cancel it because I'm having this file as downloaded. Let's move on there. So yeah, I'm having this file. I could say Python 3.7.3. so I just double click on that. And also I'll tell you how to download Pycharm IDE. So the IDE is basically having all the functionality, and you can create the project in that IDE, whether it is a web development project or any other Python project. So I'll let you know how to download Pycharm as well. So it's being opening, I guess. Yeah. So setup is there. So I have already installed. So it is showing me as a modifier, repair, or install. So I'll just try to modify. See, all these are options. So you need to select all those options and just click next, 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 and it will be downloaded. So I'll just cancel it, and once it is downloaded you can search in a search box. Just type Python, so you will see Python 3.7 32-bit is there. And if you want to check IDE, you just click on IDE Python 3.7.3. and after installation, if you want to check Python is downloaded properly or not, just open command prompt and type Python. So yeah, now it is showing as a Python 3.7.3 is available on my system. Now IDE as ideally has been opened, and you can type Python code here. You just, if you want to check print command, just check something whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So you have successfully installed Python 3.7.3, which is the latest version of Python. Now if you want to install Pycharm, I'll tell you how to download Pycharm. So you need to go Google, okay, and here you need to type Pycharm. I guess my internet is a bit slow. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, so just type Pycharm. Yeah, so we need to open this one, jetbrains.com, the company who owns Pycharm. Okay, so we are ready on. So we need to click on downloads, and we'll see this page, download Pycharm. We have couple of OS available here. So if you want to download for Mac, Linux, you can download that. So if you want to download for Windows, we have two you can say two options, two varieties of PyCharm. One is professional, one is community. Professional one is paid one. We can use this this IDE for 1 month as a free, and we can download community, which is free all the time. So if you want to use professional, you can download it for 1 month, and later on you can get the license of that. Or if you want to use for free, you just download the community version. So this is all about the PyCharm, and in next videos we will